So you might be in a situation where you're getting into a problem like this, where Snapchat tells you, due to a repeated, failed attempts, your account is going to be locked, or whatever the case is. Now, this happens it can happen for a few different things. For one, it can happen if you accidentally log into your account too many times. But if you are actually doing this and your account was just randomly blocked after you logged in one time, or let's say Snapchat logged you out and then you logged back in, it could possibly mean that Snapchat is just glitching up, and I wouldn't really freak out about this message. Now, if you did try logging in like 50 times and then you just got this message, there's also another way you can go and kind of temporarily unlock your account or forever unlock your account. So the first thing I recommend doing though first is just making your way over to your app store and pretty much seeing if Snapchat has an update. So go ahead and just make your way over to your app store or the Google Play Store and just search up Snapchat. So for some reason, I don't know why it's always messed up like that. Search up Snapchat, and all you're going to want to do is see if there's an update available. For a lot of people, updating Snapchat is probably going to be the way to fix it, and there could be some glitches within Snapchat too, but that is pretty much the first thing I'd recommend looking at. Now, for some reason, that doesn't seem to fix the problem. The next thing I'd recommend doing, if you're having an error like this or one of these other errors, is to make your way over to a website like downdetector.com. So it doesn't have to be that one. It can be, isitdown.com. There's tons of websites like that. But essentially what these websites do is that they do actually tell you what exactly is down. So you can see if you scroll through, usually if Snapchat's down, it's going to be one of the top 5. But if you have to scroll down this far, it's not. But to give you an example, if I go and scroll down to where Snapchat was, probably, it'll go ahead and tell you that Snapchat was, around probably like, what you want to do is you want to look out for big, massive spikes. So if we take a look at Dish, if it looks kind of like this, that probably means Snapchat is down, probably even something like, like that. But if you look for those high points like this, if that point is at like right now and it's on Snapchat, like this one, then that probably means Snapchat is down. So all you're going to have to do there is pretty much just wait it out until they fix it. Now you can always go ahead and, if you want to unlock your account, you can always make your way over to this website, accounts.snapchat.com. And you want to go ahead and if you want to actually go ahead, unlock your account, there should be a little button here after logging in that tells you to unlock your account. So you can click there, you may have to log in again. So log in, and then you'll pretty much be able to unlock your account that way. So those are pretty much a few ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.